One's good there. All right, a little push.
That felt amazing. Oh my God.
Okay. And you're perfect there. I'm gonna just have you bend your knees. Does that aggravate the knees at all?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We had a little bit of rotation on the left side. And if I press in through here, no issues with that.
No issues.
Tenderness on this side versus here?
No.
About the same. Cool. It's so quiet. We had a lot of tension right here. That's gonna be a fun adjustment. Mm-hmm. And so is this one. So the first one, all we're gonna do is take a big breath in, and I'm gonna push into that spot, and you'll hear some popping sounds with that. So let's go ahead, take a big breath in, let that all the way out.
Feels so good.
Good. And then I'm gonna drop this whole piece down, and we're actually gonna do your adjustment's a little bit different. Are you comfortable there?
Yes.
Actually, we're not gonna do what I thought we were gonna do. Do a little push right here. So big breath in, let that all the way out. Good. Cool. Let's go ahead and face me here.
That feels amazing.
I feel like you can breathe a little bit.
I do, actually.
Cut that out. Alright, and then if you want to rest your head right there, that's perfect. Pull this through. Good. Are you comfortable in this position? That's good there. Alright, a little push.
That felt amazing. Oh my God.
Okay. Let's go ahead and put that way.
My back's like, you're finally alive again.
Yeah, it's always interesting. So like, if you do like a sport or activity to like, I don't know, go ahead and like do, I don't know, like a dance move, then get adjusted and then redo that thing, and you notice like how big of a difference it can make. So usually the before and afters are always pretty fun with these. So same thing here, do a little push. Good.
That's so good. Oh my God.
Awesome. And then you get on your back if you want to lie back. That's fine.
Get on my back.
Alright, you just got to watch everybody's neck adjustments.
I'm ready.
Not nervous at all. You shouldn't be. No headaches or anything like that. No neck pain. Cool. Alright, we're gonna get straight into it. So all we're gonna do is just stay really relaxed into the hands right there. So that muscle, try to relax that. Good. Do a little push right there.
Wow.
Awesome. And that wasn't too crazy.
No, that was amazing.
Kinda
Thank
crazy,
you. That was the back one though. Like I've had so much tension in my back. That felt really good.
Yeah, good. All right, so same thing here. And just kind of fall into that spot. Drop that left shoulder down. Perfect. Good. Yeah.
Amazing.
A little pull on the chin here. Just kind of fall back into the hand. Good. That table. So loud. So it's that wrist that we're looking out for. All right, so a little push here. And your knees, any issues when I do that? No issues when I bring it through there. Just a little crunchy. So that's what you're gonna do. Is it continuous cracks?
Yes,
Okay.
I've had that my whole life too. And I mean, I've been dancing throughout my life, so I'm assuming it's from doing that.
And it's just the big junction where we have a lot of tendons, ligaments, like everything kind of connects right there. So those things just snapping over each other. Unless there's like pain involved with it, I'm not usually too concerned about it. But that feels okay right there. Get a little compression release. And that's okay on this knee here too?
Yes.
No issues when we come in through here. Okay. And so what did we have here? Is there metal in here?
Yes.
How long ago was that?
3 years ago.
Okay. I want to see if we have just carpal motion. So we do. Do you feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So they probably didn't touch into the carpal bend, so I can still adjust that. We're gonna do a little push. Yay.
Oh, actually feels really good.
Yeah. Good. Awesome. Let's go ahead and sit at this nice way. I'm sweating. Excited to get the AC on. Alright. We're gonna do a little push on the shoulder here. And then the same thing here. Awesome. Cool. You can look all the way behind your head now. Got an owl neck.
Yes, yeah. Honestly, I feel
That feels
amazing.
okay when you kind of move around. Awesome.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Of course.
He's amazing.
I got no drip in my pocket. Must have forgot it, or maybe I already lost it. Don't got enough.